Hey traders, John Howell here, officialjohnhowell.com, and I'm going to give you a bit of a Dow Jones stock market update today. So let's get into it. Alright, so anything I do say in this video is general advice only, okay? General advice simply means it's not to your situation. I'm not saying buy or sell, this is just a bit of an market update to where I think the market's going to go overall, okay? So let's get straight into this market update and let's just talk about this. Now, the first thing I wanted to say is let's go to the weekly chart first. And looking at the weekly chart, the first thing I do absolutely see without a doubt is some real bearishness activity happening here. And the reason why I say that is look at this here on the Dow Jones, right? So on the Dow Jones, you can see here, right? We actually have a market moving high, and then we have a market moving down through here, right? So this looks like it's actually forming a bit of a head and shoulder formation through here. And we actually can see this. This is where the market closed last week. Looking at this, so this is actually looking very weak. It struggled through here, and you know we've actually continued getting bounces off here, but it didn't this time, right? We're getting very weak action. So I would say by looking at this here, by looking at the Dow Jones, and by looking at this overall weekly chart through here, we are getting ready to get some serious downward action, you know, very soon. And so this week as well too. Look how bearish that week is. We might get a little rally up, but then, you know, down we should go. So we should get some significant downward movement moving forward in the overall markets now. And so that's the Dow Jones, and that's what the Dow Jones actual market's doing there. If you look at the daily chart, go to daily chart here, you can see here that on the daily chart we actually had a whole bunch of resistance through here. We had a low peak. We're dropping down through here. We're almost at these lows through here. So these lows here look like they're gonna get broken. And down we should go. We're at this overall support here. So down we should go, and that should take all the other indices, the Nasdaq, the Russell, and even the S&P down as well too, down to levels through here over this week. So more downside to come. Look at the stochastics here. We've had some decent move to the downside here. Stochastics are just there as well too. So a lot more. We might have one or two updates, but tell you this stochastic showing there's a lot more downside to come on the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and that's going to pull all of the other markets down as well too. So this is John Howell here from officialjohn.com. If you'd like to learn more about trading systems that actually work in the markets and a full get this whole full grab the markets by the balls course, it's a system that I was going to charge $5,000 for, but I'm just giving it away for free. It's 12 videos, 12 hours long, teaching you everything you need to know about trading systems, charting techniques, and a whole lot more in the market. So go grab that right now. officialjohnhowell.com. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.